One guilty plea and 3 denials today in a disturbing case. A group home workers who were supposed to be taking care of disabled residents. Good evening once again. I'm Maurice Dubois.
Welcome back to the broadcast. I'm Christine Johnson. Instead, those workers are accused of taking advantage of them.
CBS 2's Carolyn Gusoff was in the courtroom in Riverhead.
Flanked by family, direct care counselors say they did nothing wrong.
She was a dutiful worker who worked with the disabled for many years and happened to be in the house that night.
The 4 workers charged with a disturbing abuse of their position, encouraging 2 developmentally disabled adults at this Hampton Bays group home to fight one another for entertainment.
This poor gentleman is basically looking around for help at the entire group. And what do you hear on the tape? Raucous laughter. That's their response to their duty of care.
Prosecutors dubbed it a disabled fight club. Justin McDonald now admits to shooting cell phone video while Erin McHenry allegedly instigated the fight between wheelchair-bound residents. 2 other workers are accused of goading them on. But defense attorneys say the 2 disabled men were fighting each other on their own.
Something occurred, but not at the criminal level that they're claiming. There was no fight club that occurred.
The case came to light with a tip to the new New York State Justice Center hotline created to protect the rights of people with special needs. Prosecutors say the workers were obligated to protect disabled people, in this case men in their 50s with the mental capacity of 4-year-olds.
They failed to act. They had an affirmative duty to act, and they failed to act.
But harsh words for the government's case.
I think the conduct of the New York State Justice Center has been shameful.
They have a lack of cases to make, and what they're trying to do is make a celebrity case on the backs of people like my client.
The video, less than 60 seconds long, could end in prison time for the workers. McDonald faces 90 days in jail after pleading guilty. In Riverhead, Long Island, Carolyn Gusoff, CBS 2 News.
All 4 were charged with endangering the welfare of an incompetent and were fired from their jobs with independent group home living.